In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the March copper futures contract, which is experiencing a pullback after two straight sessions of copper rallies. A minor pullback shows up today, and by minor, I mean with a little bit of time left in the session, we're only down about 1/4%. Over the last 6 sessions, copper has been up 4 and down 2, but the overall move has been minor for a contract as volatile as copper is. Through today, copper is only up about 2%, and 0.57% of that is the gap higher between November 26th and November 27th. So it's been very quiet. The low today was 4.1755. That was down 0.62%. And the high 4.2335. That was up 0.76%. As I mentioned, we're still down about 1/4%. Tariff talk is part of the reason for the low activity in copper, the slowdown in volume. It's been a small slowdown, but still a slowdown nonetheless. Back and forth tariff rhetoric continues, with today China announcing sort of a tit-for-tat metals ban with the US if tariffs were to go into effect. This is keeping copper analysts from anticipating China's demand needs for the industrial metal and other metals along with copper. Some of China's data has started to come in a little bit stronger. I mean their economic data, including the manufacturing PMI, but with tariff threats from the incoming administration and retaliatory threats coming from the Chinese government, it's been a struggle to understand what China's copper needs will be like in 2025. Also, the dollar was lower in the aggregate for the second session of and 2 of the last 3, and it's having its worst day in a week. The inverse relationship added a little bit of a tailwind to copper to come off the lows, but with yields unchanged, it wasn't enough to turn copper positive on the day.